Hi everybody, I'm Jason Matity with getfishing.ca and ION Ice Augers. The ION G2 is a wonderful auger, but like all mechanical things, there are a few tiny maintenance items you must pay attention to and adjust frequently to make sure that your auger runs its best. So let's come on in here and take a look at what I'm talking about. So something that you got to make sure stays tight, just take the 3/16 size Allen key and make sure that your bolt up here stays nice and tight all the time. That one does loosen off. This is the quick change adapter, so I'm going to move to the auger part now. This bolt, make sure it's the 5/16. Give that a tighten, and that one's good. Same thing here. Make sure this one's nice and snug, and then that's all good. So on the flighting itself, there's a Phillips screwdriver, so you want to give that a tweak as well and make sure that's nice and snug. And then we move into this part of the flighting. So there's a bolt that goes through here that the Allen key goes on one side and a 7/16 wrench goes on the other side. So, and give it a good snug, and that's nice and tight. Now the final part, your blades, if they come loose, can cause damage to the auger. Make sure you keep the auger guard on, because if you keep the guard on, then you're not going to hurt yourself. And then give them all a nice little push. These are tight. Do the same on the other side. So that's it. So some small maintenance items that are going to keep your G2 running at its best. Make sure you do it periodically throughout the ice season.